Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Home Trader Club. Welcome to the weekly Forex forecast for the last trading week of November 2023. December is coming, holiday season, so I would like to take the opportunity and in advance to wish you a wonderful season with your loved ones. So in this video I have several great opportunities in my list: pound dollar, dollar yen, cat franc and NASDAQ. Ow, that was painful. So ready? Let's begin. Before I continue, I would like to ask your support and your help. If you find value and you appreciate this video and the trading opportunities, please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe with the subscribe button below this video. Just remember to enable the notification. You know, YouTube algorithm works and rely on all that, so thank you very much in advance for taking the time to help. I appreciate that. The pound dollar will be the first instrument, and here are some levels to pay attention to. Let's draw them on the chart. After breaking this low, the previous high starts to be highs of interest, and these highs are here and here. This is a key zone for the pound dollar. Zone of sellers. This was the last time the sellers took control of the previous trend. And as soon as we get into this area, I believe the pound dollar should start and make opportunities for a sell. If you take a look here on the way that the pair is structuring itself right now, take a look what happens. Every wave is getting smaller and smaller, and while the market is making higher highs, indicators making lower highs, indicating on a bearish divergence, which makes me think that this rally is very close to its end, and as it gets towards the key zone, we should start to look for the bearish opportunity and sell opportunities. On the way down, after the top is completed, I believe that the previously broken resistance that now acts as support areas down to the ongoing rising supportive line could actually go and be our legit target levels for that. Let me know what do you think about the pound dollar in the comment section below this video. And before we move on, big thanks to EightCap broker for supporting me and my community to enjoy all the special offers we have. Thanks to EightCap broker. Please refer to the link below this video in the description. The next one will be the dollar yen, and by the way it structures itself, I think we are in front of a corrective structure. The ideal momentum here would be shifted and completed here, like two corrective waves, or at least some sort of a range for some time before potential final all-time highs. So for me, with that idea in mind, I will be after sells. Also, if we take a look on the numbers, and this is our market trend snapshot we have in Home Trader Club, take a look what starts to happen here with dollar yen. In the months, which was absolutely bullish on for a long time with over than 2 and 3%, recently drops to below 0.5%, which means losing its momentum clearly, and the last 7 days getting close to 1% on the negative, so does the 24 hours. The momentum shifts, and that's why sell the rallies technically and mathematically speaking is the right thing to do. And if I go to the 4-hour chart, here are the levels I would be looking for these opportunities. So same story as we saw on the previous instrument. After making the lower lows, the previous zone of the rally would become the zone of interest. We have zone here, and of course we have this zone as well here, right? Buyers reject, sellers take control again, pushing down, making it a key sell zone. And so it was before here when the sellers tried to make the push at the beginning of October. So right now we received the first rally, and usually here are one of the two scenarios the price follows. So what could happen first of all is, of course, something like that. Okay, rally here, this zone holds, we restart the momentum by getting lower lows, lower highs, pullback, and final big drop to the downside. The other scenario, which would be the ideal scenario, is to get some two waves correction here. Okay, so the first rally happened, pull back, another final rally, then get some bearish divergence, higher highs on the chart versus lower highs on the indicator, and that would be a great indication that the sellers are back in their interest and go with the sell. And of course, instead, sometimes in rare cases, instead of two waves, what we receive is a range, and then a breakout also will lead to the same conclusion. So for me, I will be looking for my sell opportunities exactly on these setups I just explained you, from this area or slightly higher this area. Would be looking to attack there, because if the analysis is correct and these key highs that we already received will hold, I would expect to see the dollar yen making second corrective leg to the downside, and that could be an absolutely amazing opportunity, as we have two major dynamic supportive lines to be retested. So that could be the first, and the last one, the next one could be even deeper than that. But for me, it's sell the rallies as long as the daily last high holds. Let me know, what do you think about the dollar yen, and how low do you think it will happen to drop in this round? Maybe not in this round. Share your views in the comment section below this video. Next one is going to be the NASDAQ, which is developing what could turn to be some all-time opportunity. I believe that this high on the monthly chart, yes, I know it sounds crazy, but yes, on the monthly chart should finalize itself. It could be for a new high, it could be for a double top, but the previous high is high of interest. Until the market will make this structure where the highs would be equalized or new highs completed on the monthly chart, and the indicator will make the lower highs for a huge divergence and then a potential major move down. But until then, the bullish momentum, which surprised many traders this year, by the way, including myself, I did not expect such a rally this year. Basically, what it aims to try to finish is these three waves, and that's what I want. So the monthly make the higher highs, the weekly make the higher highs, with a condition of higher highs on the chart, lower highs on the indicator, making bearish divergence, and then look for major turnaround. So with that in mind, going down to the daily chart, and that's where I would be looking for this opportunity. Let me just show it to you. Okay, so we got the break of this range, and that's where I want to see a pullback, and from there final rally to take place. Imagine this scenario: rally, daily divergence to complete, weekly divergence to complete, monthly divergence to complete, and then a bearish party is very likely next. But meanwhile, buy the dips for a new high would be my trading plan for the coming week. What do you think about the NASDAQ and the US indices? Are we set to complete all-time highs on this rally? Let me know in the comment section below this video. And the final pair, CAD franc, which is building an absolutely beast bullish divergence at the end of these three major waves. Okay? While the market continuously making lower lows and does not change the trend, the indicators indicating that this trend is about to change big time. So here is what I want to see on the lower time frames to trigger the bullish view. I want to see some false breakout, okay, some fake lows created while the indicator is making the bullish divergences, and then what I want to see is the switch of the trend, meaning the market to flip and make higher highs, and so does the indicator. I want to see the indicator also making higher highs, and that would be an absolutely fantastic call. Once that happens, my trading plan would simply be buy a reversal. And what could be instead of that is that the daily divergence already basically completes itself, and the 4 hour, which will be of course more aggressive, right? Because if the daily would not complete, 4 hour might have no significant say. But what could happen here, 4 hour creates the waves to the upside, right? Making a sequence of higher highs, higher lows. then a pullback structure, and a breakout. So imagine you got higher highs, higher lows on the 4-hour chart. Weekly and daily divergence complete themselves. 4-hour make this pullback and then breaks through the pullback, and that would be an absolutely great buy opportunity. So that's the two ways of action. First one, if the daily, you can also see that of course on the 4-hour chart, would go and complete the lower lows, flip off higher highs on the chart, higher highs on the indicator, and buy the dips. Or alternatively, a sequence of higher highs, higher lows, corrective structure, and then with the breakout go and attack the buys. So I am after buy opportunities. It might happen this week, it might take a bit longer to create it, so that's why I put it here on the table for you. Follow up, of course we will also follow up as it progresses, but I want you to understand what and how I expect to do, and mainly why. So that's pretty much it for this video and the 4 amazing trading opportunities the way I see them. I would like to thank you for your time watching this video and to invite you to our trading family, the Home Trader Club, where you will get your access to our full, completed trading courses, real-time trading education, real-time trading opportunities, access to the community, myself, my team, and other amazing traders we have, and so much more. Join our family with the link below this video in the description. Meanwhile, best to you and yours. Thanks for your time once again, and I'll see you soon with more good trading. Bye for now.